shit.
And as we breathe out,
She looks like a winner.
Welcome back to Kinging It!
Kinging It. Rule your own world.
I'm out for a morning run. Got a new routine going. I've been getting up at like 5 o'clock every morning for the past 6 weeks. Without fail, it's going pretty well. So I'm going to be writing about this, letting you all know about these routines. And this is part of our new book, Keep Your Eyes Peeled. Looking after my niece later, so I'm going to get her involved to do some yoga. She's going to love it. What I love about these early mornings is that there's nobody out. I'm getting in shape, I'm getting to see the sights, and oh shit.
Now
You ready to do some yoga? Okay. Just dropped Phoebe to school. Hats off to all the parents out there, man. I had her from 9 to 1. I feel like I did 12 hours labouring. Now I'm walking to Amy's, and we need to find a car because I can't be walking everywhere.
surprise!
Look who came to meet me halfway. She missed me so much, she came and met me.
Oh, I've had too many like vegan chicken nuggets, I really needed to walk it
There
off.
had to be some left. On the last vlog we were like, yeah, we're gonna go to Sri Lanka. We're just waiting on an email and all that. It's all fallen through, so now we need a plan B.
And we got all this talent and creativity flowing through our bones, and we've got no shitted money to do anything with it.
It's so strange because we finished the year last year so strong, peaks and troughs.
That's it. So if you know any millionaires out there, or someone with a thriving business, doesn't matter what it is, agriculture, bloody, you know, bathtubs, we'll help you with your social media.
We'll plug your bathtub on our travel channel, that's fine.
We'll take a bath with us on the Mongol Rally and attach it to the back of the car.
Hey, that's not a bad idea, you know.
Viral.
So we're going to go back now, send some more emails, just keep annoying people.
Yeah.
Because somebody needs to work with us. We're going to have to work our asses off, like always. Try and make it happen, innit?
So if you want to give us like £1,000, that'll be fine.
Today,
It's a very exciting day. We found a car!
we found a bloody car. We've only been without a car for like 3 days and it's been so annoying. You don't realise how much you use it. So my dad's lent us his and we're going to drive to Western bloody Supermare.
Yeah, it's quite a while away. Well, it's only like an hour.
If we had a boat, it would have taken us 5 minutes to go straight across the channel.
Yeah, so there's the sea and we have to go all the way around when we could have just gone across. Do you know what I mean? So we've got a which is the cutest thing
It's supposed
ever.
to keep it top secret.
Oh, we can bleep that bit out.
Okay, bleep it out.
It's bigger than normal, I think, because obviously we're going to be in it for like 2 months. So we want a bit of room. We don't want it too like cramped. What are you laughing for?
It's just funny that we're going to be in a car for 2 months.
Are we doing the right thing?
I'm not sure.
Did you sort the Iran visa?
No. Let's go get it!
There she is!
Ah! Oh, he's lovely! Oh, shit. I'm supposed to put my surname down here.
Sold! So here she is, the beast.
We haven't got a name for her yet, though. Everything seems perfect. He was such a legend. The guy actually does like rallies with a bunch of his mates. He's retired, but he does it on motorbikes and stuff, which is really cool. It was meant to be, wasn't it?
Terry was an absolute gent.
Legend.
He was so nice. He told us all about the cars. I had a new timing belt, even
New
though
head gasket. Everything was really expensive. He spent like £1,500 on it, so we got it at a bargain price of £600.
But how cool is this? Got 5 doors.
That's what we need.
Bit of space in the back.
Lovely colour blue.
Beautiful. So hopefully she's going to take us from here to Russia. Morning! Today we are going out finally in this crappy grey weather.
I thought you were going to say crappy car and I was going to slap you.
Hey, this car is the boy.
This is the best car we've ever had.
We've been flying about Ballytown in it. But today we're going to photograph our glorious new King in It merchandise. So it should be up on the shop already. So if you haven't seen it, go and buy yourself something or treat your nan.
I'm so excited to show you guys. Honestly, we've wanted vest tops out for ages, and so have you guys, because you, like, everyone that watches us, they either want to go travelling or they are travelling. So what's more perfect than a nice little King in It vest top that's going to take care of you when you're in the back streets of Thailand?
Exactly.
And we've got a couple of limited editions, haven't we? Which
Amy
is just marvellous.
opted for this. Well, I'll show you in a minute.
You can no say it, say
A
it.
little glittery number.
Little black glitter. So if you are sassy diva like myself, buy
You're a
yourself
little
one of
queen.
those ones. Yeah, they're really cool.
I'm going to have one for myself, I think.
We're having a bit of a shit week, aren't we, Craig?
Yeah, let's be honest, you know, it's not all
You know what,
roses.
I'm gonna pull over for this because we need to talk.
This is getting serious.
It is. We're at a lost end. Is that what they say?
We're at our wits' end.
Yeah. We keep changing our minds about where we want to travel. I mean, the world's humongous, and we're like, we want to go here. No, we'll do this. No, we'll go here. And I just think we need to focus on one thing, which was Sri Lanka, and then it fell through. So we're a bit like, is it meant to be now? Is Sri Lanka the place we're supposed to go, you know, from the vibes and the gods and stuff?
The gods.
The King in It gods.
Yeah, we ain't changing our mind because we did this before. We're like, oh my god, we're going to South America, and then we just didn't go. And now we said we're going to Sri Lanka and we're not going. And the reason is because of money, and we're stuck in a rut. So we're trying our hardest to make some cash. So I feel like we're just moaning, but this is just the reality of our week.
No, we're not moaning. Like, we're really excited about this merch and everything. And yes, we've been waiting a long time to get this out. But I think, I don't know, we're sort of thrown back ideas of here, there and everywhere. So we don't want to keep it a secret from you guys. Like, we don't want to keep anything behind closed doors. Because, you know, we used to be like, oh, what if it doesn't come through? We won't mention it. But now we're thinking Europe, aren't we?
Yeah.
You're going to laugh at us now. You're going to be like, oh, it's Europe today, is it?
So yeah, we got a few ideas and a few potential people that can work with us for this.
Yeah.
So we were offered a rail pass last summer, and we didn't get a chance.
Before.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, it was a while ago. So I
Bloody
hope
hell.
it still stands.
So that's the plan. So we're gonna try and figure out if we can go to Europe in the next couple of weeks.
We're trying to figure out what's going to help us grow, basically. And I feel like what we need to do right now is hit a lot of different countries quickly. So that, you know, if someone's going to Croatia, they've got a chance of seeing us. If someone's going to go to, where else is in Europe?
Belarus.
Gonna go there, then they'll be able to find us, you know? So we're spreading ourselves thinly but evenly across the world's glorious cake.
We just want to make good content. That's what it is.
I know.
And
I
it
wanna see
seems
the
like
world.
a lot of you guys are like, you guys are the best vloggers on YouTube. Bless your socks. Like,
It's
that
so
means
nice,
so much.
and it makes us keep going for sure.
Yeah, but we're just like, well, if we're the best, why the f can't we go and gain subscribers? So we're trying. So if you watch us and you've got a mate who likes travelling, share our channel with them, share our stuff, and just keep commenting because we love it.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Okay, we got to the spot and it's bloody raining, isn't it? So we're gonna have to wait.
Girl, we being tested.
Got your little weave in of you. Weaving about the town. Okay, we're on set. Down the nap. Black jackets first, baby. We had to try and make it look like we were in a tropical paradise.
And we call ourselves business people, but really, if you're running a business, you don't come out. You know you're in London, and you're not shooting your summer stuff in winter when it's going to snow in a minute.
We got it done, so yeah. Hopefully they look decent. Pop down to Town because it's me mum's birthday tomorrow, so I got a little balloon and a present. And it's Mother's Day on Sunday, so cheers for that, Mum. I'm skint. Now I have to spend more money on you.
Don't be rude.
Nah, I'm joking. If you've got a mum, be grateful for her, because not everyone's got a mum. I appreciate you, Mum, so hope you like your balloon. Oh, we also got some coffee. What is happening? I'm with the kid. We're out on the bikes today. Future triathlete. Where are we going, kid?
We're gonna go for a short one to Culver first. Nice and easy.
Look at these bad boys. My brother just bought another bike. Got 2 bikes. Bloody greedy. But it's raining, so we gotta go. What I love about Britain is cycling in the beautiful weather. Go on, kid. Nearly 6 miles in. Bit of light Monday morning reading. How do you get to Uzbekistan then, kid?
You're going to need a visa. You don't need a letter of invitation this time round, but you do have to send your passport off, and it takes about 2 weeks to come back. So...
You want to go to Uzbekistan? So this morning we were looking at visas again, and it's proven to be a bit of a mission because we want to go away, but we got to send our passports off to get certain visas.
You need to have your porridge this morning for this one, don't you?
Yeah, you do.
You need the brain power.
So whilst I was out with my brother on the bikes, what were you up to yesterday, kid?
Well, I did a lovely little walk with a whole bunch of people from Barry. It was in aid of ovarian cancer, because March is Ovarian Cancer Awareness Month. And we did it in honour of my great friend, Leslie Walcock. So I went to school with my friend Danica, and it was her mum, and unfortunately she passed away last year due to ovarian cancer because they didn't catch it early enough, and she was sent away by the GP quite a few times when it could have been caught sooner. So we did a walk in her honour. She's got a bench down Barry Island, so we walked from the cemetery down to Barry Island to her bench, and it was lovely. It was so yeah, I just think the word is lovely because it had so many lovely genuine people there that did the walk with us. We carried silver balloons for those people that survived cancer. They had their names written on them, including mine. I felt so special. And then we had gold balloons with the names of people that unfortunately didn't make it through their battle, which was also lovely to remember them, and they walked with us. So it was such a lovely day, and I did this little film for him. So that was my day.
So that is it for this vlog. We're going to be posting another one in a couple of days just to give you another update. So I hope you've enjoyed this old format that we used to use, so like our whole week just combined into one. So if you're brand spanking new and you've just found Kinging It, thanks for hanging around with us. Hope you've had a wicked time. Make sure you press subscribe.
Apologies for the way we look right now. This isn't usually what happens with Kinging It. We've got our blankets on, we're doing some research, but we will be travelling soon enough. Stick with us. Because yeah, a lot of people said that you like to see our updates of what we've been doing and how we're planning things and stuff. Just the process that we go through, like contacting companies and how it is difficult to be a self-employed travel vlogger.
Pray for us.
Always remember, rule your own will, guys. Even if you're skint, it doesn't even matter because we're happy. Yeah, we're happy.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, bye.